Did you know that government contract accounting has its roots in the Defense Contract Audit Agency, DCAA, established in 1965? This agency set the standard for the specialized accounting practices required for government contractors. In the complex world of government contracting, organizations lacking expertise in contract accounting often struggle to comply with stringent federal regulations and cost accounting standards. They may face challenges in properly allocating costs, struggle with implementing compliant accounting systems, or fail to meet the unique reporting requirements of government contracts. This can result in contract violations, potential legal issues, and loss of valuable government business opportunities. At the individual level, accounting professionals may find it difficult to navigate the intricacies of Federal Acquisition Regulation, FAR, and Cost Accounting Standards, KS, struggle with preparing incurred cost submissions, or face challenges in managing contract-specific audits. This can lead to non-compliance, cost disallowances, and missed opportunities for maximizing contract profitability. This certification course comes to the rescue by providing comprehensive knowledge and practical skills in government contract accounting. It equips participants with the tools to effectively manage the financial aspects of government contracts in compliance with federal regulations and standards. By pursuing this certification, individuals will gain expertise in areas such as FAR and CAS compliance, indirect rate calculations, unallowable cost identification, incurred cost submissions, and government contract audits. They'll learn to implement compliant accounting systems, develop robust internal controls, and navigate the complexities of contract modifications and terminations. The impact on organizations can be significant. With certified professionals in government contract accounting, companies can expect improved compliance with federal regulations, enhanced ability to win and manage government contracts, and reduced risk of cost disallowances. This leads to increased opportunities in the government contracting sector, improved financial performance on contracts, and enhanced credibility with government agencies. At the personal level, certified professionals will become highly valued experts in the specialized field of government contract accounting. They'll be able to lead contract accounting initiatives, provide critical insights on contract financial management, and effectively navigate government audits. This expertise can lead to significant career advancement opportunities in government contracting firms, defense industry companies, and federal agencies overseeing contracts. Don't let the complexities of government contract accounting hinder your organization's success in the public sector market. Empower yourself and your team by becoming certified in government contract accounting. Enroll in this course today and take a crucial step towards mastering the specialized accounting practices that drive success in government contracting.